In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Expensify. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to invite someone new into your workspace and get them set up to submit or manage expenses. First, make sure you're logged in to Expensify and that you have access to the workspace where you want to add the user. On the main Expensify dashboard, look for the area labeled Workspace and then click on Overview. This is the central hub for managing everything related to that workspace, from policies to members and settings. If you have multiple workspaces, double check that you've selected the correct one before you move on. Once you're on the workspace overview page, look toward the top or upper right area of the screen for a button or menu labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This menu is where Expensify keeps additional management options that you don't always see at first glance, including your invitation controls. After opening the More menu, you'll see an option called Invite. Click on Invite. This is the feature you'll use to add new people to your workspace. It opens a dedicated invite screen where you can specify exactly who should be joining. On the invite screen, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to add. Carefully type their work email here. It's a good idea to double check the spelling because Expensify will send the invitation directly to this address. If your plan allows it and the interface supports it, you can usually add multiple people by separating email addresses with commas or spaces. But for now, just focus on entering at least one correct address. Make sure you're using an address that the person has access to, since they'll need to open the email to complete their setup. When you're confident the email information is correct, click on the Next button. This confirms your invite details and moves you forward in the process. After clicking Next, Expensify will send an invitation email to the address you entered. The invited user just needs to open that email, follow the link, and complete any steps to create or log into their account. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to your Expensify workspace by going to the Workspace overview, opening the More menu, selecting Invite, entering their email, and clicking Next.